Good morning, sir. Are you Ryan? Is it Briones? And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment in each case?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Briones, in cause number 25 DCCR 1106, you're charged with the first-degree felony offense of aggravated robbery from July 10th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with? And then in cause number 25 DCCR 1108, you are also charged with the first-degree felony offense of aggravated robbery from July 10th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Good.
Again, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And because you did what they've charged you with. In each of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've reached with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 10-year deferred probation in each case. There would be a $500 fine, and then we would get a pre-sentence report done, and if there were any other recommendations or conditions such as ISF, that would be up to the court, and I could impose those at sentencing. Is that your understanding? Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1 in each case.
No.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Briones is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of those pleas. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your cases so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you, your cases, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. All right, you can go back with the bailiff. I'm not going to adjust the bond just based on the nature of his age and the possibility of ISF.
Yes,
All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.